You wrote a masterpiece. But navigating the complex maze of self-publishing alone can stall your publishing dream fast. Welcome to Publishing Spot, your dedicated partner for turning raw manuscripts into globally accessible, professional masterpieces. Let's explore our 3 comprehensive tiers. First, the basic package at $199. Perfect if you already have your formatted files and cover. Basic includes deep keyword and category research, up to 7 keywords and 3 categories, plus an optimized title, subtitle, and compelling book description. We also handle metadata optimization, full account setup, and secure file configuration for Amazon KDP, Ingram Spark, Lulu, and more. Next, the standard package at $399. This is built for authors who need professional formatting support alongside discoverability optimization. Standard includes custom interior formatting for ebook and print, delivering PDF, EPUB, and MOBI formats, plus trim size and layout consultations. You also receive professionally designed ebook and print covers, perfectly tailored to your genre to ensure your book stands out. Standard also includes basic SEO and uploading services, plus a complete Amazon Author Central page setup to build reader trust. And crucially, Standard delivers one custom Amazon A+ content module with branded visuals and persuasive copy to boost your conversions. Finally, our ultimate tier, the premium package at $999, a complete done-for-you publishing, editing, and author branding solution. Premium begins with professional proofreading and editing. We correct grammar, punctuation, and sentence flow to ensure publication-ready polish. We provide custom interior formatting for Kindle, paperback, and hardcover editions, with layouts meticulously tailored to your exact genre. You get captivating, high-end cover designs for ebook and print, featuring custom typography and imagery delivered in platform-ready formats. Premium unlocks true global distribution. We configure and upload to Amazon, Ingram Spark, Barnes & Noble, Apple Books, Google Play, and Kobo. We maximize discoverability with targeted SEO, engaging book descriptions, and expand your listing with up to 3 custom Amazon A+ modules. For author branding, we write your professional bio, configure your Goodreads profile, and fully optimize your Amazon Author Central presence. You also receive a custom, mobile-friendly author website featuring a book showcase, contact forms, and an email sign-up integration. Lastly, Premium includes a one-on-one publishing strategy consultation, advising you on pricing, royalties, and formats tailored to your goals. How does it work? A simple 5-step process. Step 1, choose your package. Step 2, submit your materials securely. Step 3, we professionally prepare and format your book. Step 4, our team handles all technical uploads and platform configuration. Step 5, final review. You approve the previews, we hit publish, and your book goes live worldwide. Publishing Spot handles the technical complexity so you can focus on your story. Choose your package today and bring your book to life.